How to turn on or turn off Google Sync on your Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn Google Sync on or off on your Android phone. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android device. Then scroll down and tap on Accounts, Users and Accounts, or Manage Accounts, depending on your phone model. Next, select the Google account that you want to manage. If you have multiple Google accounts signed in, simply choose the one whose sync settings you'd like to change. Here, you'll see a list of Google services, such as Contacts, Calendar, Gmail, Google Drive, and more. To enable or disable syncing for a specific service, simply toggle the switch next to it. Turning the toggle on will automatically sync your data, while turning it off will stop that service from syncing. If you'd like to manually sync your Google account, tap the Sync Now button. That's it. You've successfully learned how to turn on or turn off Google Sync on your Android phone. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.